Okay, what's up guys? Joey here of YugaTech, and right here, right now, today, this is the cheapest 43-inch TV you can find on Shopee. So this is from a company called ANS. They're based out of Malaysia. The TV is manufactured in Malaysia. This is their 43-inch model. So it's an LED TV, not 4K, not a smart TV. It's a full HD model. Very basic. For input-output, you do get two USB ports, two HDMI ports, a VGA port if you have a PC, audio in, earphone out, very simple. Power consumption of 65 watts. I guess all that's left to do is to test the quality. So I'm gonna plug in our TV. So in the box, very simple. You're gonna have your TV itself. You're gonna have the stand. These two just screw in. That's why we have the screwdriver. Yeah, manuals. Here's the remote. So it's a very cool looking remote, as you can see. It does not have batteries, but I do come prepared. I always keep a pair of AAA batteries in my pocket. Pro tip, always keep AAA batteries in your pocket. You'll never know when they'll come useful, like right now. Put these in. Wait, there we go. Software update, reset. Yeah, it's very basic. So there isn't much features to discuss. So I guess all that's left to do is to see how it is quality-wise. So I have a flash drive here. I'm gonna plug it into the back, like so. One of our Samsung S10 videos. So first impressions so far, it's not bad. This is actually not that bad quality. The speakers could, I think, be better. To make this neat and organized, let's go through all the categories one by one. Starting with design, both in terms of form and function. The speakers could definitely be a lot better. Looking at the back, all the speakers are over here. But if you're not too picky about it, I guess the TV alone with the built-in speakers will do you just fine. But I kind of suggest getting yourself a sound bar. But you know, as is. Cheapest 43-inch TV on Shopee. Honestly, it's not bad. So if you can get it on sale today, I really suggest that you do, because I don't think you're gonna find a decent 43-inch TV at this price point, maybe ever. If you wanna buy this TV today, it's on sale for 3,333 pesos over at Shopee. So we'll leave the link in the description down below so you can find that. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed the video, please do give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more content. Hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. And be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey. This has been the cheapest 43-inch TV on Shopee. And I'll see you in the next one.